morning students, class 12th physics, current electricity, and which we are going to talk about the Ohm's law. You have read and you have studied about Ohm's law in class 10th and 12th too. Ohm's law is very important basic law about the conductance by G. S. Ohm in 1827 to 1828. The electric current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor, provided the physical conditions of the conductor remains the same. If the physical conditions of the conductor remains the same, its temperature and the completely cross sectional area and length and all those things, then the potential difference V across the conductor is directly proportional to the current. Okay. So, if I is current and V equal to potential difference, then V is proportional to I. If we remove the proportional sign of the proportional, there is need to have the equal to. So, V equal to Ri. So, R is the constant or resistance of the conductor. So, in this way R equal to V upon I, unit of measurement of resistance is ohm. Okay. And you have to perform in physics experiment Ohm's law, meter bridge and potentiometer. All those experiments depend on the Wheatstone bridge, the principle of the Wheatstone bridge, R1 upon R2 equal to R3 upon R4. Factors affecting the resistance, nature of conductor. Second, the length of the wire or conductor. Third, cross sectional area of the wire, means R is proportional to L and R is inversely proportional to 1 upon R. Temperature of conductor, R equal to rho L upon A, length upon area. Rho is also a constant. Electric current in terms of the drift velocity, I equal to NEA VD, where N equal to number density of free electrons, E electronic charge, A cross sectional area, and VD equal to drift velocity of an electron. Current density at any point of the conductor, J equal to NE VD, where J is the vector quantity. Mobility, the ratio of drift velocity of electron and the applied electric field is known as the mobility. Mu equal to Vd upon E equal to Q tau upon m. SI unit is m square per second per volt. Ohm's law, at constant temperature, the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire conductor is a circuit. Electric is directly proportional to current flowing through it. Ohm's law, at constant temperature, the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire conductor is a circuit. Electric is directly proportional to current flowing through it. V is proportional to I. When we plot a graph on it, we will have the straight line. The variation of current with respect to applied potential difference is shown with the help of the following graph. V equal to IR, where R is the resistance of the conductor, no effect of the V and I on R, because as V increase, I increase but R remains the same. देखिए इसमें सीधा सा है, जब पोटेंशियल हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो I इंक्रीज होगा बट R जो है एज इट इज रहेगा, सेम रहेगा. फिजिकल कंडीशंस आर सेम. Now, what is R? R means resistance. Resistance of a conductor, mathematically it is the ratio of the potential difference applied across the ends of the conductor to the current flowing through it. In another way, the resistance is the obstacle in the flow of the current. R equal to V upon I, SI unit is ohm. Resistance can also be written as the R equal to rho L upon A, where L is the length of the conductor, A of the cross-sectional area of the conductor, and rho is the constant known as the resistivity of the material. Resistivity constant. It depends upon the nature of the material, relationship between resistivity and the relaxation time. Rho equal to m upon Ne square tau, where tau is the relaxation time. A specific resistance or the resistivity rho depends on the material of the conductor, not on the length and the cross-sectional area A, that is the geometry of the conductor. R equal to rho upon L upon N for a given conductor, rho equal to constant and stretching compression of the conductor is done, then del R upon R into 100 equal to del L upon L into 100 minus del A upon A into 100. Okay, at the constant volume of the conductor, if the length increases, the area decreases, and the vice versa. Here the del R upon R into 100 equal to percentage change in the resistance. Temperature coefficient of the resistance is given by R equal to rho upon L upon N for given conductor, that is the temperature coefficient of the resistance is given by alpha equal to R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. Conductivity is it is defined as the reciprocal of the resistivity of a conductor. It is expressed in the sigma equal to 1 upon rho. SI unit is mho per meter. Superconductivity. The resistivity of the certain metal or alloy drop to the zero when the R cooled below a certain temperature is called the superconductivity. It was observed by the Professor Kamerlingh in 1911. Relationship between the current density J, electric field capital E, and conductivity sigma is J equal to sigma E. Some important units: resistance ohm, resistivity ohm per meter, conductance 1 upon R mho per meter and current density A upon m square. If a conductor is stretched or compressed to n times of the original length, then the I dash equal to Ni tends to R dash equal to N square R, where R dash new resistance and the R equal to original resistance. Color code of resistance. The color code on the carbon resistor remains in the form of the coaxial ring. The first band represents the first significant figure, second band represents the second significant figure, and the third band represents the multiplier, that is the power of 10. The fourth band represents the tolerance. Okay, Black B.B. Rae of Great Britain had very good wife. इसको इस तरीके से याद करें: ब्लैक, ब्राउन, रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लू, वायलेट, ग्रे एंड वाइट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट बेन कार्बन रेजिस्टेंस इस तरीके का होता है. टॉलरेंस यूनिट ऑफ सिल्वर की 10%, गोल्ड 5%, सिल्वर 10%, और हर एक के नंबर दिए हुए. ब्लैक 0, ब्राउन 1, रेड 2, ऑरेंज 3 और येलो 4, और देन ग्रीन 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8 and white 9. Silver 10%, no color 20%. Combination of resistors. There are two types of the resistance combination. Series combination. In this combination, different resistors are connected end to end. Equivalent resistance can be obtained as the formula R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 up to Rn. Okay, in this way R1, R2, R3, R4 and the series up to Rn. Note, the total resistance in the series combination is more than the greatest resistance. Okay, in the circuit. Parallel combination. In this combination, first end of the resistance are connected to one point and the end of the R resistance are connected to the other point. Equivalent resistance can be obtained by the formula 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon Rn. In this way, the total resistance in the series combination is more than the greatest resistance in the circuit. Parallel combination in this combination, first end of the all resistance in this way. Okay, the total resistance is parallel combination is less than the least resistance of the circuit if in identical resistor each of the resistance are connected in the series combination. R equal to NR